Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about what is the advantage of being debt free. Let's get into the video. Being debt free can provide several advantages and benefits. Here are some key advantages of being debt free. The first advantage is financial freedom. When you are debt free, you have more control over your finances. You are not tied down by monthly debt payments, which means you have more disposal income to spend or save as you choose. The second advantage of being debt free is peace of mind. Debt can be a significant source of stress and anxiety. Being debt free allows you to experience greater peace of mind, knowing that you are not burdened by financial obligations and that you have a solid financial foundation. The third advantage of being debt free is improved credit score. Being debt free means you are not accumulating new debts or carrying balances on your credit accounts. This can positively impact your credit score, making it easier to obtain favorable interest rates and access to credit when you need it. The fourth advantage of being debt free is increased savings. Without debt payments, you can allocate more money towards savings and investments. Building up an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or pursuing other financial goals becomes easier when you are debt free. The fifth advantage of being debt free is better relationships. Financial stress caused by debt can strain relationships, whether it's with your spouse, family members, or friends. By eliminating debt, you can reduce financial conflicts and improve your overall relationships. The sixth advantage of being debt free is flexibility and choices. Being debt free provides you with greater flexibility and more choices in life. You can consider new career opportunities, take risks, travel, start a business, or pursue your passions without the constraints of debt holding you back. The seventh advantage of being debt free is improved mental and physical health. Debt can take a toll on your mental and physical well being. By eliminating debt, you can experience reduced stress levels, better sleep, improve overall health, and a higher quality of life. The eighth advantage of being debt free is ownership and assets. Being debt free means you fully own your assets without any encumbrances, whether it's your home, car, or other valuable possessions. You have complete ownership and control over them. The ninth advantage of being debt free is the ability to help others. When you are debt free and financially stable, you have the capacity to help others in need. Whether it's supporting family members, contributing to charities, or giving back to your community, being debt free can enable you to make a positive impact. The tenth advantage of being debt free is future financial security. By staying debt free and managing your finance is reasonable responsibility, you are better positions for long-term financial security. You can save for retirement, build wealth, and have greater financial stability, giving you peace of mind for the future. It's important to note that becoming and staying debt free requires discipline, budgeting, and financial planning. However, the benefits and advantages it can provide make the effort worthwhile for many people. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.